Hello and welcome to Non-Credit Math 6 Signed Numbers. My name is Tanya Perone and I am your instructor for the course, and I will be going through the course and give you a run through so that way you know what to expect and can be successful in the course. Here is the course landing page where you can find some intro to the course roadmap, the sections to complete for the course, the quick links, and my instructor information. I'm going to run through the course, and where I would start is with the course syllabus, so you can get a great sense of the course content and expectations and guidelines. Then you'll want to go to modules, which you can use the link here in the course roadmap or the link in the left menu bar. When in modules, you will see all of the course content. There is a text for the overall topic of signed numbers. There are the four sections to be completed with the course. Within each section, you will see that there is the text, the additional materials, which are your notes, and videos, as well as the homework assignment. When you click on the text for each section, if you get a red arrow sign, do not worry. Just click on the text title in the gray bar, and it will open up in a new tab. Each text within each section gives you the text just for that section, which has all the examples, and can be accompanied by the section's notes. The section's notes, which is the additional materials, when clicked on, opens up a Word document that can be opened for you to edit and type in here or print out and use. It goes through all of the examples as well as the notes within the lesson. Once you have looked at the text and the notes, you'll want to also use the videos to accompany those two that will help go through and show you examples worked out in real time. Going through the text, the notes, and the videos, once you are done with that, then you will go to the homework assignment, which is problems 5 to 15 problems, or 5 to 20 problems are given for the homework. You will click Start. Within here, you will see that there are the problems where you will put your answer and submit the question. If you get the question wrong, you do get multiple attempts on the question, as well as you can regenerate questions similar to it. If you are struggling, there are worked out examples or videos to help you with the problems. Once you have completed all homework problems, do not forget to hit Done in the top right corner, so that way I can see the grade. Once you have finished the assignment for each section and gone through all of the notes for each section, you will see that at the end there is this additional work. This is optional. If you want extra practice, you can do so. The last thing that you will need to complete for this section is the practice test. This is your check for understanding or final for the course, which demonstrates your understanding of all the course content. This is what your pass, no pass grade is based off of. Again, like the homework, you are also given multiple attempts on each problem. When you have completed and hit the Done, I will be able to see on my side that you have completed the course and give you a pass or no pass grade. At that point, I will send you a message to say you have successfully completed the course. If you have questions at any point throughout the course or need additional help, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can send me a message through Canvas, which is the quickest way to get a hold of me. Send me an email or put a comment in the Q&A discussion. I wish you the best of luck with this course.